students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of social study. In our last video, we have discussed about chapter number 13 and chapter name is local government. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the worksheet of chapter number 13. So students, first of all, let's have a quick overview on the chapter number 13 because the whole worksheet depend upon the chapter 13, that is local government. So local governments. So student, first of all you have to know and you need to know about what is government. A government is a group of people that rules a state or a country. It serves many functions. The government maintain law and order, takes care of the need of the people and protect them from enemies. India is too big a country to be run by one government. Therefore, we have three different levels of government in India. First one is central government, second state government, third local government. There are three different levels of government in our country. So student, now look at the exercises. That is exercise first. Mark the following sentences as true or false. Look at the first one. There are two different level of government in India in total. So student, in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given statement. If your statement is right, then your answer will be true, and if your statement is wrong, then your answer will be false. And first statement, is this statement is right or wrong? There are two different level of government in India in total. No, there are three different levels of government in India. So your first statement is wrong and your answer will be false, and you have to write false at this given box. Look at the second. The member of a Gram Panchayat are chosen by the villagers. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is right. So your answer will be true and you have to write true at this given box. Look at the third number. Woman cannot be member of the Gram Panchayat. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is wrong because at least one third of the seat in all panchayat are reserved for women. So this statement is wrong and your answer will be false. And you have to write false at this given box. And here false is already written. Now look at the fourth statement. The municipal corporation work in village. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is wrong because the municipal corporation works in big city like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. So this statement is wrong and you have to write false at this given box. And here false is already written. Now look at the fifth number. Running a school is one of the duties of local government agency. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is right. So your answer will be true and you have to write true at this given box, and here true is already written. Now look at the sixth number. The duty of the local government agency are totally different in the village and the city. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is wrong because while the panchayat help in governing village, the municipality do the same things in towns and city. So this statement is wrong and you have to write false in this given box, and here false is already written. Now look at the next exercise, that is exercise second. Define the following terms. It means in this exercise you have to define the following terms. Look at the first one, government. What is government? A group of people that rules a state or a country. A group of people that rules a state or a country is known as government. Look at the second, civic amenities. What is civic amenities? The facilities provided by the government to make our life healthier and more comfortable, known as civic amenities. Look at the third number, sanitization. What is sanitization? Cleanliness, especially related to hygiene. Cleanliness, especially related to hygiene, is known as sanitization. Now look at the fourth number. What is tax? In fourth, you have to define what is tax. The money that the people have to pay to the government is known as tax, and the government use this tax to provide civic amenities like basic facility, electricity, water, street light, etc. Fifth one, look at the fifth one, literacy. What is literacy? The ability to read and write. So student, literate person know how to read and write. Now look at the third exercise, that is choose the correct answer. It means in this exercise you have to choose the correct options from the given options. Look at the first one. Local government agency in an Indian village is called the. So what we call the local government agency in an Indian village? Your option A, Gram Sabha, option B, Gram Panchayat, option C, Gram Sarpanch, option D, municipality. Which option is correct? Your option B is correct. Because the local government agency in Indian village is called the Gram Panchayat. So you have to take the option B. Now look at the second number. The head of a municipal corporation is called the. So what we call the head of municipal corporation? Your option A, mayor. Your option B, chairperson. Your option C, pradhan. Your option D, sarpanch. Which option is correct? Your option A, mayor is correct, and you have to take option A. Now look at the third number. A municipality look after a. So municipality works at which place? Your option A, state. Your option B, village. Your option C, big city. Your option D, town. Which option is correct? Municipality look after a town. So you have to take the option D. And here option D is already ticked. Now come on the next exercise. That is, answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. It means in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given question, and your answer should be in only 1 or 2 sentences. Now look at the first question. What are the various level of government in India? So how many levels of government in India? The answer is there are 3 different levels of government in India. First, central government. Second, state government. Third, local government. Next, look at the next question. What are the members of the municipality called? The members of the municipality called municipal councillor. Municipal councillor, the member are the members of municipality. Now look at question number 3. What are the difference between municipality and municipal corporation? Your answer. Municipality, the local government of a town or city is called municipality, and municipal corporation, in big city the municipality is called the municipal corporation. So now come on the next question, that is question number 4. How do local governing body get money for their activities? Your answer. The local government get money from the public in the form of tax. The local government get money from the public in the form of tax. Tax is money that the people have to pay to the government. Tax is money that the people have to pay to the government. So student, I hope you all are understood about the worksheet, and you have to done all these exercises in your CW copy. This is your today's homework. So that's all, and thank you.